Welcome to this week's edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for our exciting new topic. Before diving into this week's subject matter, I kindly request that you support our content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our content aims to assist you in advancing your entrepreneurial ventures, particularly in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. Without further ado, let us explore this week's topic, understanding the FBI FD-258 ink card fingerprinting basics. Ladies and gentlemen, the FBI FD-258 card is a standard form used for fingerprinting purposes by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, and other law enforcement agencies. Here is a breakdown of its components. First up, card information section. This section includes fields for personal information of the individuals being fingerprinted, such as the name, date of birth, sex, race, height, weight, eye color, hair color, and other identifying details. Fingerprint blocks. The main features of the FBI FD-258 card is the space for fingerprint impressions. It typically consists of several blocks where the fingerprints are taken. There are specific instructions for the placement of the fingers in each block to ensure consistent and accuracy. ORI number. ORI stands for Originating Agency Identifier. It is a unique code assigned to law enforcement agency or organizations that submit fingerprints to the FBI. The ORI number is entered into the designated box on the card. Next, reason fingerprinted. This section indicates the reason why an individual is being fingerprinted. Common reasons include employment background checks, license, immigration, adoption, etc. Next, signature of person fingerprinted. The individual signature is often required on the card to confirm that the fingerprints are theirs. Signature official taking fingerprints. The person responsible for taking the fingerprint signs this card to attest that they have accurately captured the fingerprints of the individual. Next, date fingerprinted. This section records the date when the fingerprints were taken. Next, additional information. This area may include other details such as the name and address of agency or organization requesting the fingerprints, as well as any special instructions or remarks. The FD-258 card is typically used for various purposes, such as including criminal history background checks, employment clearance, immigration, and license. It is important that the card is completed accurately and that the fingerprints are clear and properly placed to ensure the best results for identification purposes. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this content.